Daddy, cheese.
Cheese. Good morning, guys. Another day, another deal. Let's go call my buyer for this deal that we've been talking about para masettle na natin to and move to the next one. Let's see how this goes.
Hello?
Hey.
Sorry, it's a busy morning.
No worries. Sounds good.
Patient.
Alright, bye-bye. Let's go, guys. So, we're gonna get this deal done. This one is a good one. Good fee. Good amount of money for me. So, I'm happy. Let's go. I want some ice cream. What's up, guys? Haven't done any video today. I haven't vlogged today. Kasi
We're watching Ohio.
medyo masama pakiramdam ko. Every time I drink yung night and Dayquil, inaantok ako. So, I had a huge nap today. And we're back.
Are you
live.
up?
Yeah.
Holy.
Nung pag-uwi mo, natutulog si Daddy, right? Upstairs.
Yeah, I am.
And yung ginawa ko lang kanina is called my guy.
Who's your guy?
It's for Daddy's business.
Who's
Uh-oh, we have ice cream. We got ice cream, boy. Oh, what do we have here?
No, that's mine, please.
That's mine, please. Yummy, yes. Emil, yummy. Yummy? Cheers. Cheers.
Here's a milk.
Magkaaway dalawa. Don't fight kasi, Kuya Ellis. Oh yeah, nag-cheers lang sa'yo si Kuya Ellis eh. Why are you fighting him? Why are you fighting Kuya Ellis? Don't fighting Kuya Ellis, okay?
No, don't be mad. No.
So guys, yung deal na I've been working on would be the biggest wholesale deal na gagawin ko. And I'm pretty happy about it. Hindi pa ako masyado nag-celebrate kasi yung pera hindi pa nag-hit sa bank account ko. Tomorrow, we're gonna do the paperwork with my guy. And he's gonna give me 10 for now. And then the rest is on the possession day. Kuya Elijah's home. There's his bias. Let's wait for Kuya. May ingit yan sa ice cream. Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
How's school? Good? Want some ice cream? Mamaya, take off your stuff first. Look at this boy. Oh my goodness. Look at your face. Yeah, your face is so messy. How's school?
Okay, Dada. I'm good, Emil. I'm good, Emil.
Kiss mo daw siya. Kiss mo daw siya. Kiss mo daw yung face niya. Yuck! Look at Emil's face and Kuya Ellie's face after eating ice cream. Look, can you get enough wipes, please?
Daddy, please.
Cheese. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Meron pa. Wipe, wipe, wipe. 1, 2, 3. Booyah! Wala na. Galing nga. Kuya Ellie, your turn.
Daddy.
Yes, po.
Daddy.
Yes, po.
Daddy.
Yes, po.
Daddy.
Yes, po. Kulit mo. Hi.
Hi.
What do we have today? For dinner, chicken wings. Wala pang luto eh. Magpapalotion tayo kay April. Yeah, boy. Meron tayong ayuda from our kapitbahay. Let's try this. Ano ba to? Anong tawag dito? Tignan mo natin yung wings. Init pa, man. So guys, yung vlog ko is very unplanned and unscripted. So whatever I'm sharing is whatever I'm doing every day. Uy, para tayo may burrito. Kamunti ka pa mahulog.
Ano? Mga grocery, no? Ano ulit? Ang anak ko.
Ang tawag dito? Just got a new lead, so ngayon tatawagan natin siya. Hello?
Hello? Yeah.
Hey,